How to turn off Android Auto on any Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off Android Auto on any Android phone. Whether you want to fully disable it or just stop it from launching automatically, I've got you covered. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on connection and sharing. And now here, once you are inside the connection and sharing, simply scroll down to the bottom and there you can see the option labeled Android Auto. So simply tap on it and it will open all your Android Auto connection and behavior settings. Now here, simply look for previously connected vehicles and simply tap on it. And now here you will see a list of all accepted or rejected vehicles connected via Android Auto. So to clear them all, just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen, and here from the pop-up menu simply select forget all vehicles and confirm it by tapping on OK, and only do this if you no longer want any Android Auto connection history. And with that you can simply go back and scroll to the start Android Auto automatically option, and now simply tap on it. And from the pop-up menu, if it is set to always, you can change it to if used in the last drive or default set by the car. And here once you're done with that, you can also toggle off this feature for more control. So here you can just toggle off start Android Auto while locked and another start music automatically. And yes, by turning off these options, it will prevent Android Auto from launching or auto playing music every time you get in your car. And that's it. That's how you can turn off or limit Android Auto on your Android phone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.